Xojo 2023 Release 2 improves the chart control for desktop, web, and mobile projects. One of the new features added in this release is the new stacked chart type. In our example app, you can see that when we click on the Stack checkbox, the chart updates on the fly to display all of the data sets of the bar type as stacked bars. When the chart is set to stacked, the values shown in the y-axis are updated to reflect the accumulated value of the data sets, and all of the user interactions are the same on other chart types. It displays the popover on every segment of the stacked datasets or hides any of the displayed datasets when you click on the associated legend. In doing that, the values of the y-axis are recalculated on the fly so they adjust accurately to the visible datasets. Because these changes are applied on the fly, it's possible to change these chart types between stacked and back to bar mode. This can be really useful if you want to offer your users more flexibility in choosing how they want to render the data in the chart. But there are even more new features and improvements made in this release, mainly implemented from the requests received from Xojo users. One example is while the bullet line ending was the only option available in previous versions of the chart, you now have a lot more options to choose from. Here is the line dataset whose ending points are set to cross, but you can choose any of the 11 available options, including none. When selected, the line dataset doesn't display any endpoint for their values, which could be really practical in many scenarios. Other available options include bullet, cross, dash, line, rect, star, triangle, etc. In addition, these endpoints can also be applied to the values of the datasets used in the scattered and bubble chart types. In addition to the endpoints, it's now possible to change the style for the line itself. Here we're using the dashed line style, and it can also be set to solid or even to the none style. In that case, the associated dataset will not show the line in charge of connecting the points. Once again, the line style can also be set for the scatter and bubble chart types, something that can be really useful in providing more meaning to the data displayed in these chart types. Other improvements made provide more customization options in order to render the chart title, legends, and the access values using different fonts, font sizes, and colors. Here we set a different font name for the title using its own font size and font color. As you can see, all of these changes are applied on the fly, and even the chart adjusts in size and consonants to the changes made. Now we're going to set a different font name, font size, and color for the text of the legends displayed in the chart, and once again the chart will adjust it to its area to accommodate the new available area. These are just some of the many improvements made to charts in 2023 Release 2. So please refer to the existing documentation and release notes to find all of the improvements and bug fixes made on charts for web, desktop, and mobile.